Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make avocado and banana smoothie. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need cold milk, 1 avocado, and 2 bananas. In a medium-large blender, peel the bananas and cut them into small pieces. The next step, you're going to cut the avocado into 2, then add the avocado in the blender. Then you're going to pour some milk, about 2 cups, or you can add more, that's up to you. Then blend everything for approximately 2 to 3 minutes till everything is well blended. So I added 1 tablespoon of sugar, or you can add more if you want more sweetness. Then blend for approximately 1 minute. Once ready, serve your smoothie in a glass and enjoy your avocado and banana smoothie. And my tasty avocado and banana smoothie is ready, as you can see in the video, and enjoy your smoothie. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.